In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your logo to your main menu in Titan. So right here, it may say like something logo, but you want to have your own logo here. So where we go is we go to company maintenance, and then we go to logo screens right here. Click on that. Yeah, it probably has this logo right up here in this area, and it says your logo with these 4 circles, and the main menu logo is blank. That's why mine is blank here. So if we click on this, what we're going to do is we're going to choose a paintbrush picture. Click OK. This is going to open up Paint. Now what we need to do is we need to find our logo and paste it into here. So I'm going to go find our logo here. If you're on the Titan Cloud, it's hard to get to the file system because there is no way, at the bottom here. But if you go into the Setup and Utilities and Product Picture Library, click here, and then you can click on this file here, this folder, and then that will get you into the file system. So it's probably going to be on the T drive, and then you can create folders in here. And I have a logo folder and a product picture library folder. And then we can just go to logos. And then the logo I want is this Titan main menu logo. So if I right click on this and I click open with and choose paint, here I can just choose select all. It's going to put a dotted line around this. Click on edit and click copy. Now we have copied this logo, and now we can go back into this area. This is where we got to it from the logo menu, and then we can click on paste. That's going to put our logo in here, and then we can just close this window. So now you can see that this logo shows in this box, so that is good. And then we'll do the same thing up here. I'm not going to show it in this video, but it'll be the same process to get the logo in this area. So we're going to close this and then just hit cancel here. And now you can see our logo is on our main menu, and it looks pretty good. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and I will see you in the next video.